Welcome to Blossom. In this video, you will learn how to create and edit workspaces from a CSV or Excel file. In the Management section, go to the Management tab and click on Groups. Go to the Import Groups from a CSV or Excel, then download the template file. The first row contains the name of the values and must stay in the file untouched. The second row contains samples of the value structure, and it needs to be deleted prior to uploading. Note that the structure of the values must be the same as in this row. For example, the dates format must be day/month/year. Otherwise, an error will be displayed. Now you need to fill required details. First of all, you must define the workspace type and name, which are mandatory fields. The system lets to create all types of workspace via CSV file, such as group, course, organizational unit, template, qualification, and work plan. Note that a workspace name must be unique. If there's a workspace with the same name in the system, it will not be created. Then you can add option details such as description, open and close date, classification, etc. If there are workspaces descriptive fields that you need, add them first to the platform as custom fields in the domain management, and they automatically will be added to the template. There are several fields that require unique identifier such as external ID, manager external ID, etc. They are intended for integrating with other systems, and you can skip them if you don't have them. Now you can save the file. Note that if you plan to edit this CSV file several times, we recommend to save it as Excel file. You should convert it back to CSV only before uploading, since importing with CSV file is more accurate. Now you can upload your data file to the system. The person who uploads the file will be added as workspace owner. If there are empty values in your file, you can keep them untouched for updates. If you leave this box unchecked, the values in the system will be deleted. This option is more relevant for updating details of existing workspaces. The next option lets you to define the workspace default manager's permissions. You can choose a relevant predefined permissions from the drop-down list. It means that all the managers that are assigned via this upload will have this permission. The system also allows to override existing managers' permissions. It's more relevant for updating details of existing workspaces as well. By default, after workspace creation, the system presents a full log of the details. But if you want to see only possible errors, you can check the option Display Only Errors. Now click the Preview button to view the conversion results. If there is an error that prevents the conversion of data, it appears on the status bar. If there are no errors, the data and a success green indicator will appear on the Results tab. As mentioned before, the data format must be exactly like it's presented in the template example as text values. Otherwise, it will be subject to errors. For example, if there's an incorrect value in the file, it will be shown in the preview with orange color, and the workspace will be created without this value. If one of the critical values is incorrect, it will be displayed in the preview with red color, and the workspace will not be created. Now click the Data Upload tab and then the Commit button to enter the preview data into the system. There must be a confirmation that a new item was created, otherwise there are errors in the file and you have to correct them. In a similar way, you can add existing users to existing workspaces from a CSV or Excel file. Download a CSV example using name fields. Be aware, the second CSV example can be relevant only if you have unique identifiers, such as group external ID and user external ID. Now you need to fill two required details, workspace name and username. Note that both of them must be created in advance. Otherwise, the system will display an error that the workspace or the user doesn't exist. Now you can upload the data file and preview it. If there are no errors, the data and a success green indicator will appear on the Results tab. Now click the Data Upload tab and then the Commit button to enter the preview data into the system. There must be a confirmation that a new item was allocated. In this video, you have learned how to create and edit workspaces from a CSV or Excel file. So, welcome to Blossom.